In Nassau, there is a free beach. We're gonna show you the path to get there, the shops along the way, and anything worth paying for at the beach.
Ready? Let's go.
Walking down the pier, the shade is wonderful in the Bahamas. The pier is long, but it's shaded the whole way.
And as you get to the actual port opening, you'll be greeted with a huge screen.
A lot of ports you have to go through a duty-free shop. In Nassau, they don't make you just walk through security, and then you're inside the port area where you'll see the exit straight ahead. There's gonna be the Junkanoo Museum. And then to the right, you'll see the taxi stand.
So the great thing about the taxi is that you can just go to a centralized location to get the transportation that you need.
And Nassau has many shops right inside the port. They actually let locals set up their shops inside there as well.
So we love going to the port. It is beautiful, it's bright, it's always full of energy.
Yeah, you got the pineapple drink from this stand. How'd you like it?
It was delicious. But it definitely looks more comfortable than in the past because they have all the individual sections, and again, it's covered. So there are 3 exits out of the port. We showed you the first one when we first came in, and this is number 2. Plenty of shops, plenty of places to eat.
And this is the amphitheater. Amphitheater, they have local talent come in here. They have local shows.
Now, when you keep walking past the amphitheater, you're going to come to the end of the port to this beautiful, clear water at the pier.
They have some docks where they'll let shore excursions pick up from. Across the way, you'll see Senior Frogs. And then way over, you'll see Junkanoo Beach. That's where we're going to walk.
And now we're getting to the 3rd exit. And as you can see, it takes you straight to the straw market.
Mm-hmm. So the straw market is all local vendors.
Now inside the port is nice and peaceful, but once you get to that gate, it's going to be a different story.
Mm-hmm. And this is going to be a common theme. The water in Nassau is unbelievable. Man.
Now the sidewalks I found to feel fairly safe. They're a good width apart.
Yeah, you see the walk is pretty lit. It's pretty out in the open. Very safe walk. And these are the old people. This is gonna be us one day. You're gonna be helping me walk down the street with my cane.
So if you do have family that may have mobility issues, if they're walking with a cane or if they're on a scooter, I do think that they'll have no problems navigating on the sidewalks. As you can see, there is the sun side if you want to get the heat and get your tan as you walk, or if you want some shade, you can step down a couple of steps and you're under shade.
Let's go in one of the stores and see what they have in here.
So y'all, we were on a mission to find a bottle opener for our oldest niece. So this is one of the stores that we stopped in. Air conditioning there felt great.
Yeah, check out the other video and see our fun times on our mission. And you can see the pace we're walking at. We're not breaking any Olympic records.
So y'all, we're still walking straight. Just a chill day for us. We're just taking our time.
And I'm going to tell you at the end how long it took us to make this walk.
Okay. So as you saw, we kept going straight until the street curved and we just turned right. Kept going, and as you saw, we came to the infamous Margaritaville Hotel. Now, this small walk by the hotel was really relaxing. It was very cool, shaded. The fountains on both sides really set a nice scene as it directs you straight to the water.
And once again, you see the crystal clear water of Nassau.
Y'all, it is just so beautiful there. So once we came to the end of the walkway, we turned left.
Yeah. And now we're at Junkanoo Beach. There's two sides of Junkanoo Beach. There's the Margaritaville side for just their guests. On the other side, you have the free beach. Now, there's umbrellas with chairs. There's lounges without umbrellas. Our recommendation is to get an umbrella, 2 chairs. It costs you $40.
Because the sun is going to be blazing. But underneath your umbrella, you can kick back in your lounger, look at the beautiful water, and chill out. So y'all, we just took our time and we strolled down to the beach. It took us 14 minutes to get there.
So thanks for hanging out with us.
Peace.